Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I changed the background of my videos to a blurry background using the CapCut app on my mobile phone. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please kindly stick back and watch to the end. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always being there for me, and if you are new to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell to see my video whenever I post. To get started, you have to get a CapCut app on your phone, then go to new project. After clicking on new project, it will take you to this page where you click on the video you want to blur the background, and that's the video right there. I will be blurring the background, and then click on add. Then you move to the video. This is me moving the video to the end so that I'll remove the CapCut watermark at the end of the video. Click on that arrow there and click on remove or delete video. Then you go to the end, the starting of the video, then click on effect. Click on video effect again, and then you click on basic. Then click on blur, which will blur the video entirely. Then you go to the toolbar there and drag the blur effect to the end of the video. After you must have gone back, you click on overlay and then re-upload the same video you use, that's the one you blurred. All right, that same video, you upload it back through overlay. All right, if you understand what I'm trying to say, then that's the video right there in a brighter mode. Then you click on cutout, then click on background, remove background. Then after clicking on remove background, then you have to adjust your video to match to the one that was there before, and then that's the background being removed. Remove background is loading, so that's why I put the arrow, the red arrow there, so that you see where it is loading. That's why the video is still not perfect yet, but after the background must have removed, you will see how perfect it looks with a blurry background. All right guys, so that is it. After loading, the background will now be blurry. So this is how the video looks after I have removed the background from the video. So this is me checking to the end of the video if there is any loop or anything that is not matching to the main video. Okay, after checking my video is okay, I will now export the video from the app. Okay, that's me checking if my video is okay outside the app too before uploading it. All right, so that's the video right there. As you can see, it doesn't have any hitch, it doesn't have any background deficiency and everything. So that's it guys. This is how you can make your background video to be blurry. See you in my next video. I thank you for watching my videos, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye.